So we are going to make a video. This is one of your drawing videos.
Yep.
We are going to make a video of a Sawhead Shark. Alright.
So you tell me how.
So
We both.
first you draw the mouth. We're going to make a Sawhead Shark opening his mouth. This one.
No, Robin says we gotta do blue. I'm copying what Robin draws.
Yeah. The red is for light coming out of its eyes. So you do the mouth like this.
Like that? Okay, so we go here.
Because that its mouth is opened. To do the rest, you do it like that.
Like that.
Then, you do for the fins like that. Yeah, like
that.
Then for the eye, we do our reds.
Okay.
Oh, you need to.
Wait, let's put the top back on the back.
One.
So we draw here. And then we go up.
Yeah, that's going to be a light.
Well, that's not a lie.
Just light. Because its eye glows red.
Okay.
Then the rest.
We need fins down here.
Yeah, and the fins on top. So are the fins on top. The fins down here. Then for the top fin, you do one on his head and one right here.
Okay, one right there. Does he need teeth?
Yeah, his teeth is really sharp, so you go up like that. Then the other teeth like that. Yeah? Good.
Oh, you know what he needs?
What?
Gills.
Oh, yeah. What's scales?
Gills are the things on the side of the fish's head. Lets them breathe, right? So they go right down here after his mouth. Here we go this way.
Oh, yeah. I never thought they had gills. Sawhead sharks are the only fish that don't have gills.
Oh, they are. Okay. I didn't know what a sawhead shark is.
But they could be the things that protect its babies look like that. Look like its scales.
Yeah.
So that could be the things that protect its babies. Then what you do is draw some fish, get the light coming out of its eye,
She's gonna attract some fish.
yeah, but it's not supposed to. It's supposed to get light. You could see in the dark. Then you draw a sad face, a sad eye on the fish. Because then you can make a dead face on that fish. Because it's dead. Because that the Sawhead Shark just ate it. It's gonna eat that one. No one should catch a Sawhead Shark. So, that's the fish.
What's a fish?
And it's getting trapped. And this one too. Yeah. That is a fish coming down.
Okay.
That's going to eat. What if you died in jail? That's an anglerfish.
It's an anglerfish?
Yeah, that fish and that fish are anglerfish getting eaten by the Sawhead Shark.
Oh no.
Sawhead Sharks could eat any fish even for an anglerfish.
Yeah. Well, it looks like it's time for us to eat pork bites.
Pork bites?
Just now we finished our good Sawhead Shark drawings.
They're scary, don't they?
Do you want to tell us any more about Sawhead Sharks?
Well, Sawhead Sharks do have sharp teeth. And it lives in the deep. It lives in the deep.